Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Gray Shot down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-driving 11.4.4 aerial video.
Back after a little hiatus. Hey, I did not have to give that a love tap.
It just auto-yielded?
Yep.
Nice.
So used to having to love tap it through that.
Right?
Yeah.
Usually we have to give it the assist.
It's gonna have us turn up lead better, just so you know.
Cover that. I'll tell you what, Lightning is so much easier to see from the air versus RC.
I bet.
I don't know. Make a comment down in the comment section below. Do you guys like the Model S better or the Model 3 better? Model S is red, Model 3 is gray.
And to be fair, foreseeing on the video, we know that the Model S will win in a heartbeat.
Oh, I'm sure people would comment, yes, we'd like to see the Model S. I get that. It is a fun car to film from the air, though. There's no doubt about it.
Giving up okay?
Yep.
Here we go. Handled that all by itself. That's great. You get these power lines okay?
Yep.
A little squirrely on the steering wheel.
Very squirrely on the steering wheel. Try not to be so squirrely on the sticks for you guys.
All right, come in. Had to give it a love tap. Could we drive over the edge?
Jesus. Want to go a little off-roading there?
Sorry, I just let it do it.
You
always tell me, just let it do it.
I looked up from the sticks on that one. I was like, where are we going? My car. Sorry, everybody.
I didn't see any major issues, so I just let it happen.
My car.
It looks like someone else. Or that's the realtor.
That's the realtor.
Bet you we were the only ones.
That sounds like it.
Alright, slow down. Slow down. Good. Stop. Sorry. I don't think I was going to stop.
I don't think so either. It was like that day that I came into the. I actually was the adjacent red car one day. Obviously not flying, but that was where I had a similar experience into that roundabout.
Yeah, I don't think I was going to stop.
Yeah, probably not. Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi again. This has been another full self-driving aerial perspective video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and join us again for another one. Bye.